Today we are going to look at sulfuric acid plus sodium hydroxide, which yields sodium plus sodium sulfate. This looks like H2SO4 plus NaOH, which yields H2O plus NaSO4. To begin, we first have to balance the charges of the ions, so let's take a look at each of the charges. Hydrogen has a charge of +1, and SO4 has a charge of -2. But since there are two hydrogen atoms, they balance out. Na has a charge of +1 and OH has a charge of -1, so they both balance out too. Over here on this side, since hydrogen has a charge of +1, this is +2, and oxygen has a charge of -2, so they both balance out as well. However, over here, since Na only has a charge of +1 and SO4 has a charge of -2, we will need to balance this area and make that a Na2SO4. Now we have to balance both sides of the equation, so we will make our atom inventory. Hydrogen here has 3 atoms because there is an H2 and there is an H over here, making 3. SO4 molecule has only 1 atom. Na also has only 1, and so does oxygen. Over here, hydrogen has 2 because there's an H2 right there. SO4 has 1 because there's only one SO4 molecule. Na has 2 because we had to balance the charges, so we changed that to a 2. And oxygen has 1 atom. You can tell the two sides aren't equal by the hydrogens and the sodiums. So we will have to find a balance between them both. So first let's try balancing the hydrogen. This right here we will have to change to a 2. That makes that a 4 because there is now a 2 right here, and that +2 + 2 = 4. And then that will also change to a 2 because there's a 2 in front of the Na. The oxygen will also change to a 2 because this 2 covers all of it. And now we have to change this side in order to balance it with this. So we will have to put a 2 in front of the hydrogen, making this a 4, and making the oxygen a 2. And now both sides are balanced, and this is the final balanced equation. The chemical reaction that took place here is neutralization because there's an acid and a base, which led to salt and water.